We often think that the difference between the rich and the poor is money, but in reality, it's mindset. Money comes and goes, but the way you think about money, success, and life, that determines everything.
If you are able to get up every morning, have no passion, no drive, no motivation, no shit, and still get up with that kind of fire, you will be successful in life. I guarantee you that.
Here are 5 key differences between a rich mindset and a poor mindset, and why changing the way you think would change your entire future. Number 1. Rich mindset focuses on opportunities, poor mindset focuses on problems. Have you ever met someone who always finds a way to make things work no matter how tough life gets? That's a rich mindset. On the other hand, have you met someone who always finds an excuse? That's a poor mindset. Warren Buffett once said, opportunities come infrequently. When it rains gold, put out the bucket, not the thimble. People with a rich mindset see challenges and ask, how can I make this work? They look for solutions. People with a poor mindset say, it's too hard, the economy is bad, I don't have the skills. They look for problems. The truth, both mindsets face the same obstacles. The difference is that one person finds a way through while the other finds a reason to quit. Number 2. Rich mindset invests in learning. Poor mindset invests in entertainment. The rich mindset knows that the best investment is in yourself. For example, Bill Gates reads 50 books a year. Elon Musk taught himself rocket science. The poor mindset believes in spending money on entertainment first. The latest phone, the trendiest clothes, the most expensive dinners. But here is the secret. The rich mindset sacrifices temporary pleasure for long-term success. Ask yourself, are you investing in your future or just spending for temporary happiness? Number 3. Rich mindset takes responsibility. Poor mindset blames situations. The most powerful mindset shift is this. A rich mindset takes responsibility. A poor mindset plays the victim. When a rich-minded person fails, they say, what did I do wrong? How can I improve it? When a poor-minded person fails, they say, it was not my fault, the world is unfair. Here is the truth. As long as you blame others, you give away your power. The moment you take responsibility for your life, you take control of your future. Number 4. Rich mindset works smart, poor mindset works hard. A poor mindset believes, if I work harder, I will get rich. A rich mindset believes, if I work smarter, I will create wealth. Think about Jeff Bezos. He didn't become a billionaire by working more hours than everyone else. He built systems that work for him. Poor-minded people stay stuck in the trap of, if I just work harder, I will get ahead. But they never think about how to make money work for them. Instead of just working harder, think about how you can create passive income, automation, and leverage. Because it's not about working more, it's about working smarter. Number 5. Rich mindset thinks long term, poor mindset thinks short term. The rich mindset plays the long game, the poor mindset lives for the moment. Warren Buffett made 99% of his wealth after age 50 because he thought in decades, not days. A poor mindset says, I want money now, I want success now. They chase quick money instead of building lasting wealth. While a rich mindset says, I will plant seeds today that will grow into something bigger tomorrow. Wealth is not built overnight, it's built through small, smart decisions made consistently over time. Final message, the choice is yours. Your mindset is your greatest asset. Are you thinking rich or are you thinking poor? Because the difference between success and struggle is not where you were born, is not how much money you have today, it's how you think. And the best part, you can change your mindset starting right now.